Hello viewers, welcome to Aniza's Tech Tutorials. Need help growing your online presence? I can make it happen. I offer graphic designing, social media marketing, services to connect your business with the right audience. I can manage and grow your social media platforms to boost your brand. I create great-looking websites with WordPress. To get my services, contact me on Instagram. In this video, I am going to tell you a completely free website where you can generate AI images. Leonardo is the website where you can generate images completely free. So write Leonardo in your browser and open the site. Click on Get Started and continue with Google, or you may enter your email. On the left interface, there are many options. You can explore these options. In this video, I will show you how you can create AI images. So, click on Image Creation and enter a prompt. Remember that you have to write a complete and detailed description that what type of image you want. After writing the prompt, click on Generate and wait for a while. Here are 4 images according to my prompt. But for better results, I modify my description. And again, click on Generate. This time I got the better results. You have to modify your prompt again and again and regenerate your images until you get your desired image. After you get your desired image, select it so that you can see multiple options. At the bottom of your image, you can make changes from there and then download your image. I hope you find my video informative. For more videos, like and subscribe to Aniza Tech Tutorials.